He joined today. Happy morning, Mani.
Happy morning, Lanya. Good.
Okay, let us start. Can we wait a minute?
Up to you.
Namaskaram, Lavanya ma'am.
Namaskaram. Thank you.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Mani, let's do one thing. You start with the prayer.
Okay. So, to start with the morning prayer, just a minute, I'm not sure whether I'll be having video or not. First of all, thank you all for joining 6 a.m. Chakra Healing Meditation. Let us start our healing meditation with the morning prayer. Let us thank our Gurus first. Take our Namaskara Mudra on the top of our head. Let's thank the Gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let's bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our abdomen navel point. Thank our mother. Matrudevo Bhava. Let's bring our Namaskara Mudra in front of our mouth to thank our father. Pitrudevo Bhava. Let's bring our Namaskara Mudra in front of our forehead to thank our teacher. Acharya Devo Bhava. Let's bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our heart to thank everyone else in this world. Athidhi Devo Bhava. Raitu Devo Bhava. Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure water, pure air, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let us thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's 6 a.m. Chakra Healing Meditation. Let's proceed with our healing meditation. Over to you, Lavanya.
Okay, thank you, Mani. Mani, I have one doubt. Will your music continues or can I play?
No, you can. You can.
Okay, friends, again, welcome to this chakra healing meditation. Before going to chakra healing meditation, we have to know that what is the significance of these chakras and mudras. Chakra is nothing but which means field, and these chakras are the energy points in our body, and these chakras are related to our 7 glands in our body. They can heal our entire physical and emotional symptoms or anything. And these chakra healing meditation can achieve our physical and emotional well-being. And we use mudras in this chakra healing meditation. Mudras are nothing but hand positions, hand postures by doing this chakra healing meditation. By using these mudras, and these mudras stimulates the flow of energy in our body parts and makes our brain very short. So we are using these mudras, and we don't lose our energy to outside while we make the mudra. And if we make open of these chakras in our body, we can improve our physical and emotional health. And also, if there is any imbalance of this chakras in our body, we can feel some physical and emotional symptoms related to that chakras. So we have to make use of this chakra healing meditation to reduce any symptoms in our body. This is the basic session, and this is just we are knowing the knowledge of this chakra healing meditation. And there are, as we know that there are 7 chakras, and there are 7 related colors for each chakra, for one each color. As we know that they are the rainbow colors or Vijaya colors. So our first chakra is root chakra. Root chakra is nothing but the base of all the chakras. While we are doing anything, any occasion, we can plan, we can groundness. So this is the root chakra. This is the groundedness of entire chakras. This is the first step for all the chakras, as these chakras starts at the base of our spine, and this root chakra is also located at the base of the spine. And this root chakra is also known as Mooladhara chakra. Moola means the base. Entire for our survival, this is the base. To survive our life happily, this is the base. So this root chakra is very, very important. The first step is very important for our life or for our health. So this root chakra or Mooladhara chakra is located at the base of the spine, and it is associated with energy, survival, stability, comfort, and safety. As we said now, this is survival of our life. So it makes us comfort and safety in our entire life. It can survive. And there are some healing affirmations for this Mooladhara chakra. These affirmations makes us strength, because belief is our strength. If we have more belief in ourselves, that means self-confidence in ourselves, we can make strength. So these are the healing affirmations that we have to certify, that we have to remember at every time. Or, I love being in my body. I am centered and grounded. I am safe. I trust more and I fear less. I am physical being and value my physical body. Yes, these are the affirmations that we have to believe. And this root chakra is described with a flower with 4 petals. And the Bija mantra is Lam. And the referred color is red. So, if there is any imbalance of this root chakra, any person can feel the physical and emotional symptoms like back pains or sleeping issues or making always sadness, all these symptoms can be seen. Remember that, friends, this Muladhara Chakra makes us healthy and wealthy. Yes. And let us chant this Bija Mantra Lam for 7 times. Before that, visualize the red color in your mind and keep concentrate with the Gnana Mudra. So, visualize the red color in your minds and keep concentrate. Let us start chanting of the mantra Lam. 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 Let us move to our next chakra. The second chakra is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra is located in the lower abdomen and it is associated with sensuality, sexuality, pleasure, sociability, and emotions. It is nothing but creation chakra. It improves our creativity levels. Every person has their own creativity levels, but they cannot open their creativity levels. By making this Swadhisthana chakra, they can improve their creativity levels and they can express their emotions. They can express their emotions in the society. They can communicate easily in the society. They can make pleasure in everything. And this sacral chakra is described with a 6-petaled flower and it is the referred color is orange. And there is a Bija Mantra Vam for this Swadhisthana chakra. And this is nothing but creation. It is an entire creation. And there are some healing affirmations as I am passionate about my life. And if I make my feelings and emotions and creative well-being, I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. I am joyful, I am spontaneous, and I am creative. Yes, already we said that this is nothing but creation chakra. It improves the creativity levels in our minds. It improves our creativity levels in the entire thing, in everything, whatever we do. And there is a Bija Mantra Vam for the sacral chakra. And if there is any imbalance of this Swadhisthana chakra in our body, we can feel some physical and emotional symptoms like urinary discomforts and increasing allergies or jealous or addictive behaviors. All these symptoms can be seen in this Swadhisthana chakra, as if there is any imbalance of this Swadhisthana chakra. And visualize the orange color in your minds. Make the Swadhisthana Mudra and let us chant the mantra Vam for 7 times. Before that, visualize the orange color and pay attention on the Bija Mantra Vam. Feel the vibrations of the mantra and feel the flow of energy. Let us start. Vam. 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 Let us move to our next chakra, solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra or Manipura chakra is located in the navel area. It is associated with strength, personality, power, determination, and self-esteem. And it is associated with the element fire. As we know that the fire is related to strength, power. Fire means power. And there are some healing affirmations that we have to believe, or I feel my own power. Yes, you have to believe these affirmations because it improves our strength. I feel my own power. My potential is unlimited. Yes, it is my personality. My boundaries are respected and upheld. I act with courage and strength. Yes, I have more courage. I will act with my courage and strength. I am confident in all that I do. Yes, I have confidence. Whatever I am doing, I have confidence. This is my self-esteem. This is my power. This is my strength. It makes my personality improve. This is nothing but, as we said earlier, all these chakras makes personality development skills. It improves the personality development skills. Any skills, whatever we need, all are in these chakra healing meditation. We can improve everything by this. So, and the solar plexus chakra is described as a lotus flower with 10 petals, and the referred color is yellow. And there is a Bija Mantra drum for this Manipura chakra. If there is any imbalance of the solar plexus chakra, we feel some physical and emotional symptoms like indigestion or panic attacks, back pains or leg pains, or liver problems, high blood pressure issues, or frequent illness. Some people always felt illness. So make to suggest this Manipura chakra healing meditation. They can be healed by this Manipura chakra. And one more thing, it can reduces procrastination. Some people always used to postpone their things, postpone their schedule. So by using this Manipura healing meditation, they can reduce their procrastination. Okay. And make the Manipura mudra and let us chant the mantra Ram for 7 times. Before that, visualize yellow color in your mind. Just visualize the yellow color in your mind and keep concentrate. And feel the vibrations of the mantra Ram and feel the flow of energy. Okay, let us start. Ram, 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 Ram. Let us move to our next chakra, heart chakra. Heart chakra or Anahata chakra is located in the middle of the chest, over the sternum, and it is associated with love, acceptance, compassion, and sincerity. And it is associated with the element air. And this heart chakra is described with 12 petaled flower and a peaked circle with a 6-pointed triangle. And this and the referred color is green. And there are some healing affirmations that we have to believe. I love myself unconditionally. I have the strength to follow my heart. I am fulfilling my heart's desire. Yes, I am fulfilling my heart's desire. I am open to giving and receiving love. This is the acceptance. And I am grateful for all my blessings. Yes, I am sincere with my heart. So I am grateful for all my blessings. These are the affirmations that we have to believe. By all these affirmations, we can lead a good life, an entire life. And there is a Bija Mantra Yam, and if there is any imbalance of this heart chakra, we feel some physical and emotional symptoms. If we feel these symptoms, you can suggest this Anahata Chakra meditation heal. And the symptoms are restlessness or difficult in trusting others, impatience or lack of empathy, or decreasing immune system, or increase in blood pressure, and emotional symptoms like anger, fear, anxiety, depression. All these symptoms can be healed by this Anahata Chakra. And these symptoms can be seen if there is any imbalance of this Anahata Chakra. Okay. And visualize the green color in your minds and make the Anahata Mudra as our right hand with Jnana Mudra near our heart and the left hand on our knee. Okay. Feel the vibrations of the mantra and may concentrate on the mantra, Bija mantra. Let us start. Yam, 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 yam. Let us move to our next chakra, our fifth chakra is throat chakra. The throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is located in the throat area. It is associated with communication, expression, creativity, and inspiration. And it is associated with the element sound. This is nothing but it improves our communication skills. It improves our communication levels. It makes us communicate with each other very nicely. And there are some healing affirmations as I hear and speak the truth. Yes, I will hear and speak the truth only. I'm open and honest in my communication. Yes, I'm always open and honest in my communication. I'm expressing myself with clear intent. And I live an authentic life. What I have to say is valuable to others. Yes, what we are saying is entirely valuable to others. Thus, we have to communicate with each other. And this is nothing but Vishuddha. Vishuddha means especially pure. You're giving pure communication. You're expressing pure emotions, and it makes us to pure creativity. It inspires us, and it makes inspire too. So this is not very important chakra because it makes us to move the three worlds also and makes to visualize the three periods also, the past, the present, and the future. If we make more active, and it is described as a 16-petaled flower, and the referred color is purple or blue. And there is a Bija mantra hum for this Vishuddha chakra. And this is nothing but to express, to communicate. And if there is any imbalance or unblocked of this throat chakra, we feel some symptoms like difficult in our vocabulary, that means communication problem, or difficult to express our emotions, that means expression problem, or achy throat, or thyroid issues, or imbalance of hormone levels. All these can be healed by making this throat chakra healing meditation. And the Bija mantra is hum. While chanting the Bija mantra hum, making the Vishuddha mudra, all these symptoms can be healed. So visualize the blue color in your minds and make the Vishuddha mudra, and let us chant the hum mantra for 7 times. Let us start. hum, 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 hum. Yes. And slowly move on to our next chakra. Our next chakra is third eye chakra. Third eye chakra or Agna chakra is located in the middle of the forehead. It is associated with intuition, lucidity, meditation, and trust. It improves our intellectual power. It's nothing but our wisdom. And this is associated with the element light. And this third eye chakra is described as a transparent lotus flower with two petals, which represents the nadis, Ida and Pingala nadis. This Agna chakra is also known as eye of intellect, or in our words, it is known as Trinetra. It makes us to command ourselves and others and the entire universe. It makes to command because we have the intellectual power, we have the wisdom, and we trust. We have to trust everything. And there are some healing affirmations that we have to believe are I am insightful and intuitive. I always honor and follow my intuition. I am conscious creator of my own reality and I am connected to my higher self. All that I need is within me. Yes, these are the healing affirmations that we have to believe. And there is a Bija Mantraksham for this Agna Chakra. And if there is any imbalance of this Agna Chakra in our body, we can feel some symptoms like lack of faith, pointless, indecisiveness, making difficult in taking decisions. If there is any blockage of this Agna Chakra. And some ear and eye problems or headaches, learning disabilities. Some people feels difficult in learning. While learning anything, the water drops can be made. All these issues can be seen if there is any blockage of this Agna Chakra. So make the Agna Mudra and let us chant the Mantraksham for 7 times. Before that, visualize the indigo color in your minds and may concentrate on the mantra. Let us start. Sham, 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 Sham. Let's move on to our powerful chakra, important chakra, the crown chakra. The crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra is located at the top of the head and it is associated with knowledge, consciousness, fulfillment, and spirituality. Yes, this represents the spiritual connection towards ourselves, others, and the entire universe. It makes us spiritual connection. And it is described as a 1,000-petaled flower, as its name is also Sahasrara. Sahasrara means 1,000. And there is a Bija mantra, the powerful mantra, Om. Entire universe, entire studies are all from the Bija mantra, Om. And there are some healing affirmations or I am divine. I am one with all that is. I'm infinite and boundless. I see the divine light in everyone. I listen to the wisdom of universe. Yes, all these healing affirmations are very important because we have the knowledge to know you're in consciousness, you're fulfilling entire our desires, and you're making connection with spirituality. And this can impact on our self-worth. It makes us in peace. It moves on to positiveness. As we know that our energy levels has attractive power. If we think positiveness, positive only attracts, and if we think negative, negative will attract. So always think positive and in peace. This is nothing but to understand everything. If we understand in positive way, we can feel in positive. So this is very important chakra, and this is possible for only yogis and sages, because of we need more and more concentration. So these are the 7 chakras, and these 7 chakras regulates our 7 glands in our body. And let us make all the 7 bija mantras. Okay, I'm sorry. So visualize the violet color in your minds and make the Sahasrara Mudra. Let us chant the Bija Mantra Om for 7 times. So feel the vibration of the Bija Mantra Om. Let us start. Om. 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 Okay. Now we can chant all the 7 Bija mantras at a time for 7 times. So keep in Sukhasana and let us start. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Sham, O, 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 Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Sham, O. Yes. Feel the peace of mind. Okay, and get relaxed. Okay, thank you, Mani. Explain this. Money? Yes. Okay, can I say this, my resilience mantra? Okay, friends, keep your right palm on your heart and make recite. I will not give in to sadness. I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel. I will never ever give up. I will stay positive and work on a solution. My life is great with all the positive and negative things in it. I allow myself to be happy no matter what. I'm enough and I'm complete. Yes. Thank you, Mani. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma.
you,
Thank
Mani
you.
sir and Lavanya
Thank
madam.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, madam.
And this is
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
it time, Mani. As we are here with the 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes. So this is the exercise for our eyes. So this is 20-20 principle. Make your eyes widely and close strengthly. Visualize the anything before you with the 20 feet distance, and don't see the screen. Blink your eyes as can you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, 2. Thank you, Mani. Thank you very much. Thank you for all, friends.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So make yoga nidra for 5 to 10 minutes, all of you, because it can improve our strength. We had done this meditation, so it can improve more. Thank you, friends. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.